Hey, what's up guys? This is the girl Tracy with Tracy's World, and today I am here to bring you another SoBarRistic drink. So listen, you guys know what to do. Get that pen and paper ready, write down these ingredients, and you too can make your own SoBarRistic drink from the comfort of your own home. Life can be full of so many ups and downs, so many turns, so many pitfalls, so many disappointments at times that it is so rewarding when you come home and you can just do something simple. And this drink today is just that. It's simple. There are not a lot of ingredients, but it is full of taste. We are going to be making a gin and y'all thought I was going to say a gin and tonic. No, we're making a gin and pear. Gin and pear. So what we are going to do is we're going to take some ginger beer. We're going to take some lemon juice. We're going to take some pears. We're going to take, what did I miss? Honey. We're going to take some ice and just, hook up this simple drink and just enjoy and just relax and just kick back, okay? So listen, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, okay? And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Please go ahead and share this video. And last but not least, please turn on those notifications, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have some really cool, simple ingredients. Now, let's talk about this. This is ginger beer. It is organic, okay? It is organic ginger beer. Organic ginger beer. If you were close, you could see all the ginger floating at the bottom, but it's organic. You can see everything floating in here, but I'm sure it's very good. It says that it is gently bubbling with real root ginger. So this is the real stuff. And it says it's 100% good, which I believe it is. So we have our ginger beer. Of course, we have our honey. We have our lemon juice, not pitchered. We're going to be working with pears today. And these are very fresh pears. You can't get any fresher than this because this came off of a neighbor's pear tree. Okay, so no fresher than this. This is going to be good. And of course, as I said, lemon juice and ice. So I'm ready to get this all mixed up and show you guys how we gonna do this. So now we have our pears. We're gonna go ahead and chop those up, and I'm gonna put them in the blender with a little bit of ice, maybe a little bit of water just to get it all pureed, and we're gonna pour it into the cocktail mixer glass. Gonna get it all in there because I want to make sure I get as much of it as I can. I don't want to leave anything behind. Okay, now we're going to take some lemon juice, and we're going to add the lemon juice. And for the exact measurements, you can go into the description section, and I'll go ahead and put it there. But this is about 4 ounces of lemon juice. Or 2 ounces, I'm sorry, of lemon juice. And then we're going to go ahead and put the ginger beer in there, and that is 4 ounces of the ginger beer. You know what, I'm going to put a little bit more because I want to make a little bit more, so I'm going to fill it up with another 4 ounces. So pretty much a cup of ginger beer is what I used. Of course, you're going to measure it according to how much, you know, you're going to be using. And okay, we're going to take a tablespoon of honey and put in there. That's going to cut down the bitterness of the lemon juice. I'm going to get that all mixed in there. All right, Tana, shake it up, shake it up. All right, now we pouring it up. It is that simple, guys. It is that simple. Okay, now we're gonna do our little garnishing. I'm gonna put the pear up there. Let me see. Yeah, it needs an umbrella, so I'm gonna put a little umbrella with it. That looks so cute. And the glass is so cute. It says quarantine and chill. This is a good drink to kick back and relax at home with, I'm telling you. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put this umbrella. You know, you put it wherever you want to, but I want it to look, you know, I want it to stand up, you know, look really beautiful. I don't think that's gonna work. Well, we're gonna make it do what it do. But yeah, quarantine and chill. Cheers. It's all done. That looks so good. SoBarRistic gin and pear. So now is the favorite part of the show. It is the moment the SoBarologist gets to taste their creation, right? So I hope you guys are ready. Listen, if you're making it with me, let's do this. Cheers to you guys. All right, let's do this. Okay, we're going in. This is good. Listen, let me tell you guys something. This drink gonna give you a little burn. Don't worry. We call it a gin and pear, but there's no gin. Gin is for ginger. But yeah, that ginger will give you a little burn. But if it is too much of a burn for you, you can always add a little bit more honey. Just a little bit, not too much. You don't want it really sweet. You can add a little bit more honey to it, according to your taste. Okay, you could add maybe a half tablespoon more. You know, just kind of test it as you go. But I'm telling y'all, this is good. I mean, eat the pear. Okay, so today's glass says quarantine and chill, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not doing too much tonight, but boy, yo, I'm telling y'all, ooh, this give you a little bit something going on. I like this one. Yeah, this one's good. I'm telling you, you serve this. There's a person that, you know, is trying to, you know, change it up a little bit. This gin and pear, I'm telling you, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. This ginger is good for you anyway. So, sorry, I had taken a little sip and see. But this is good, y'all. Listen. Go ahead and serve this. You know, I can see the guys really feeling this drink because of the kick it gives you. And I can see our ladies just want to kick back. I can see Friday nights you just want to, you know, have a little bit something. It's all non-alcoholic, okay? It is non-alcoholic. All the drinks we make are SoBarRistic, okay? They are SoBarRistic, meaning they are alcohol-free. Anyone can enjoy them. Anyone can drink them. Yo, this is it's good, y'all. Man, when something good, I always put my hand on my hip. I don't know why. I just noticed me doing it right now, but this is this is so good. Ooh, it feels so good going down. I mean, it feels good all up in here. It feels really, really good. And that's that ginger. That's that ginger. Whoa. Yeah, y'all know. This drink. Yes, it's SoBarRistic, okay? Listen, there's nothing else I can do, you know, but sit my way on out. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Listen. Y'all, enjoy yourselves this week, all right? That's it, y'all. That's. Well, I really hope you enjoyed today's drink. I really hope you enjoyed today's drink, the gin and pear. I mean, of course, as I always say, you can mix whatever you want in your drink. You can put spirits in it if you want to, but we keep our drinks 100% alcohol free. We keep it all the way SoBarRistic. And this is for those that can't drink, don't want to drink, choosing not to drink, whatever the reason is. We make our drinks for everyone so that everyone can enjoy. Okay, so we keep it all the way SoBarRistic, and I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I would love to hear from you. I would love to see some of the drinks you created. So please go to our Instagram page, which is SoBarRistic, okay, at SoBarRistic, and follow our Instagram page. Tag us in your photos, and we will share your photos on our page. We will repost. We may even make some of your drinks, okay? If you have some drink suggestions, please go ahead and comment in our comment section. Give us some suggestions or ideas that you would like to see us try, and we'll be happy to do that. We may even name the drink after you, okay? This is Tracy, your SoBarologist, and I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for everything. Like, I'm so appreciative. I see you guys are subscribing. I see you are commenting. I see you are liking the videos, and I'm asking that you would please continue to share our videos, continue to comment and all that good stuff, okay? And we will be back very soon with another SoBarRistic drink just for you, okay? Listen, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today.